Hello, Internet. Right, I've just rolled into Alresford, and honestly, what a cracking little town. It's a market town north east of Winchester, about 8 miles away. But the real reason I'm here is to check out this Watercress Line. I've been come down here briefly in the past as well, and it's a restored heritage railway, and absolutely brilliant. Let's park up my bike, which I did alongside these other triumphs that you see. And this is the ticketing area of the station. As you walk through this door, and you feel that you're walking into real early 1900s, these old bricks and the vintage signs, and the smell of mixed charcoal and hot metal, and as a biker, right, you got to appreciate a massive loud mechanical beast, which these engines are, and unfortunately there isn't one parked here because the first train is scheduled for later on. So the line itself, it has 4 stations, and there is a scheduled service every day. I think there are 4 and 5. I'm just going to go and check that out real quick. I think, yeah, that's the timetable we got here. So do keep that in mind when you plan your journey. But it does offer a beautiful place to step into history. So the name Watercress of this heritage line was primarily derived from its purpose, because it was used to transport watercress from the local areas to the markets in London. Was first commissioned in 1865 and by Mid Hants Railway back then, and in post-war 1975 where with the electrification of the route from Alton to London, it was decommissioned, and in its current form, serving as a heritage railway, it has 4 stations: Alton, Medstead and Four Marks, Rapley and Alresford. So if you do decide to take a ride on one of these beasts, right, there is something massively satisfying about the sound these things make, right? It got that raw, that mechanical clunk to it, right? Kind of the one that Triumph makes. Bit quieter, to be honest, but it's just a great spot to take a breath, grab a coffee, and watch the world go by. And at a much slower pace than what you see on A30. Well, if you're ever riding through Hampshire, especially on a sunny spring morning like this, you got to stick alphas on your route map. Grab a bite to eat, watch a stream train roll out, and then hit the Twinnies on the way home. Perfect Sunday morning, really. Right, it's time for me to put my helmet back on and chase some more of the sunshine. Catch you on the next stretch. And ride safe, like and comment if you like it.